everyone. In my previous videos, I have solved so many problems from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. Ravis Agarwal. This is also one important problem. In this problem, we are going to find out the area of the rectangle, okay, by using the given informations. See, four options are also given in this problem. We have to find out the correct answer and check which option is correct. Okay. The length of a rectangular plot is 60% more than its breadth. See, I have constructed one rectangle. Okay. In this problem, the length of the rectangle is 60% more than its breadth. Breadth I have taken as x centimeters. What is given in the problem? Length is 60% more than its breadth. So, length of the rectangle is equal to x plus 60% of x. So, 60 by 100 into x. So, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So, x plus 6x by 10. I am taking LCM. So, that is, LCM is 10, no? So, 10x plus 6x by 10. That is 16x by 10. That is the length of the rectangle. Okay. Now, what is given in the problem? No, the difference between the length and breadth of the rectangle is 24 centimeter. So, L minus B is equal to 24 centimeter. What is L? 16x by 10. What is B? Breadth I have taken as x. Okay. See, we have to find out the length and breadth of the rectangle. Then only we will be able to find out the area. Because area is length into breadth. Okay. Now, again I am taking LCM. LCM is 10. So, 16x minus 10x is equal to 6x by 10. So, L minus B is equal to 6x by 10 is equal to 24 centimeters. So, we have to find out x value. X is equal to 24. I am doing cross multiplication. 24 into 10 by 6. 6 is going here 4 times. That is 40 centimeter is breadth. What is length? Breadth is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay. What is length? Length of the rectangle. $16x by 10. Am I right? So 16 into 16x by 10. So that is 16 into x value, we got it as 40 by 10. 64 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Am I right? Length into breadth, square units. Always we should mention area by square units. So length is 64 into 40. So 4 are 16, 2560 centimeter square or square centimeter. That is the area of the rectangle. So correct option is C option.